Today we're going to make something special. Tell me, what do you see?
A camera.
Do you know what kind of sausage is that?
No.
Worst.
Frikandel, I don't know.
Boterhamworst.
Is it a sort of frikandel or
Frikandel.
frikandel?
Frikandel.
You never tried a frikandel?
Well, we're about to. Yes.
Have you eaten one?
No. But you seem to be enjoying it.
I see a frikandel and an onion or garlic. It's garlic?
Well, is this meat? Is this one of those mystery meat things?
Something like beef.
I think it's
Pork. Yeah, pork or beef. Pork.
It's pure waste meat.
Yeah.
It's not advised to eat it.
Pork or beef or sometimes chicken is in it.
No, pork better.
So it's that level just below being a poison.
Dutch people like this a lot, but they even like more a special type. Do you know what is a Frikandel Speciaal?
Mayonnaise.
Have you heard about it?
No, I didn't. I've never seen a special version of this.
Speciaal. Okay.
So it's special.
Are we supposed to make a dish out of this?
The challenge is make one.
Make one.
Okay, I've never eaten one. I don't think I've even seen one, so...
Do you know how to make it?
To prepare it with love.
So try to guess how a Frikandel Speciaal would...
Mustard.
Oh my god. I think I got even had one, I just don't remember.
Even if we don't know how to make it?
Mm-hmm. That's the purpose.
Just, we have to use our imagination?
Yeah.
This is syrup.
I think this is just a special thing by itself. So can I just...
Let me just have a quick look at what we have here. So we have a mayonnaise.
We're in Netherlands, it's probably with mayonnaise.
I think the Dutch really like their mayonnaise with frikadelle. I think there's a phrase called frikadelle met. And it's implied that it has the mayonnaise with it.
It should be with curry, yeah.
I don't know.
So
Something,
I don't even
feel
know.
like it's something to do with curry, but maybe I'm wrong.
What is this? This is curry.
Ketchup.
Syrup.
Mayonnaise.
Okay, this is some kind of like sugary syrup.
Yeah.
Mustard.
Mustard.
Do we have to use all of that?
All of these have to go in, right?
But I can't imagine we use all of these ingredients. Do you?
I wonder what you're gonna make with it, so I'm just watching you.
And you are going to taste it.
Do we cut the onion though?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe with some onion to make it fresh, I guess.
Just add anything. It's a special, it has to be filled with things.
I hope my boyfriend will be proud after this.
Peel that in reverse.
What's curry ketchup?
Yeah, I like it here.
I'm gonna cry so hard.
Oh,
Yes, we have to make like little chops of onion.
Yeah.
I feel like you need to do the sauce first, if there is sauce, because the onions need to stick to something.
On the top.
I would put mustard on it.
mm-hmm. You can put that on.
So
I just, I'm not positive if they cut it and then put it in. That would be something we would do, because that makes sense. But I don't know if that makes sense.
Sit that way.
No, not
You can drip. You can drip.
and long.
Okay.
I think it's and then put the mayonnaise in.
It's definitely mayonnaise.
Okay, well, I'll cut it. Should I cut it?
might as well.
I feel like cutting it. Don't, because anyway, if we need to.
Oh my. Oh, it's good.
That's it? You're halfway.
It's special.
What's special about this?
I don't know if this is how you cut it, but whatever.
slower than the Dutch guys in their fast food establishments.
Have you ever ordered this before?
Okay, it's good mayonnaise. It's thick stuff. Yeah. Now we're going.
Oh.
Oh. There we go.
Oh, okay. Yeah, good enough. Usually, like a drizzle.
And then you take flat. No. I've seen some ketchup because look at it. No.
And now it's a curry.
There we go.
In the middle.
In the middle.
Oh, it already smells like Frikandel Speciaal.
I don't know. I think maybe this.
Maybe some of that.
Not that.
And not syrup.
Mustard. It's a mustard.
Onion. Alright, directly
Yeah,
on
yeah.
onion.
I'm gonna make this go like
Well,
this.
I know Dutch people put mayonnaise on literally everything. Oh my god.
Dutch people like the syrup. Hello.
You want just a bit of this on the onion?
I don't know. I think it's one of the
So this is special.
Almost.
Now I feel like you. And we have to eat this.
It's not ready yet.
Onion. Has an onion.
Main thing is that it misses one thing.
Yes, I think yes.
Just sprinkle some over. That's a lot of big onion pieces. All right.
I was not talking about the ingredients.
Finishing touch is always important.
Yeah. Da-da-da-da.
So I think that is.
Alright, we're finished.
That is your Frikandel Speciaal.
Yeah.
And that's what I think a special is. This is our special frikadel.
Syrup, onion, and a Dutch flag.
Do you think it's normal to put the national flag in a piece of food?
When you do tracteren, they use the flags. They use the flags for everything.
Wow.
I'm trained.
We usually cut it open.
Oh, I haven't seen that.
Well, I guess if you
and-
cut it, then you have a spot for the onions, whereas we were trying to stick it to the sauce instead.
It's like a boat.
Yeah.
You just wasted a perfect Frikandel Speciaal.
There's no mustard.
No mustard.
No mustard.
Really? Okay.
just
So it's just
mayo.
mayonnaise
And ketchup.
And ketchup.
And ketchup.
and ketchup.
But syrup is a kind of glue. It's functional. It's more functional.
Could you try to eat it?
Yeah, I think I will give this honor to Olga.
Would you like to taste it?
Oh, definitely. Yeah.
Oh god. Oh god.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Smack.
Pretty nice.
Yeah. It's actually good. It's not bad.
Are you eating the one with the syrup?
Mm-hmm. Is that an actual frikadelle? Yeah.
I can just taste the mayonnaise.
Oniony.
It's actually good.
Fantastic.
I'm surprised. Pleasantly surprised.
Yeah.
It makes no sense that you would put pancake syrup on it. But, are you having another one?
Lekker. Can I finish this?
You can.
Awesome.